Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Mercedes C-Class diesel sport. It's got a few little extras on it. This car looks nothing like the mileage that it's driven, and it drives absolutely superb. It really does. It's in really good condition. We decided to sell it due to how well it drives and the condition of the car. As you can see, it's in lovely blue colour as well. Got an AMG grille on the front as an extra, the big Mercedes badge, front park distance control. The alloy wheels are just going to be refurbished, so ignore the condition of those. It's not bad, but not up to our standard. There you go. So it's got privacy to the rear as well. A nice chrome diffuser on it. Bodywork is just absolutely amazing, I think, for its age and mileage. It's literally just arrived, like I say. Privacy glass, C220, and we've got the rear electric tailgate. Interior is in lovely condition, really nice. Full leather seats, or Artico, whatever it's called these days. Heated front seats, electric mirrors and windows. So I'll just start the car up, excuse the sun. It's done 146 miles. We've got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, automatic headlights, satellite navigation, climate control, reverse camera, full iDrive system here, heated seat for the front as well on the passenger side. So there really is no wear. Just would not think. Passes a 40,000 mile car. It's absolutely stunning. There you go. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.